Hello everybody, welcome back to techietalk.online. Today we have another interesting topic to cover. This is Sony Vegas Pro 10.0. It's the best video editing software for 2019 and 2020. So basically this course is in Hindi and Urdu. This is a free course by a company known as JahaSoft. So this is a free course. You can easily come to this link. The link will be also given into the description of this video. Once you click this link or just follow this link, you will come to this site and you can see that there is a download button. Once you click this download button, it will start downloading the complete course for Sony Vegas Pro. So as you can see, it's almost 1.7 gigabytes. So I'll just cancel this course. If you don't want to download the course, you can watch the course in YouTube. These are 10 lectures of the course. You can completely understand and even edit your own videos, can create animations, etc. in Sony Vegas Pro. So this is a free course. You can just download now and start learning today. And it can make you almost handsome amount of money by learning this course and joining Fiverr and giving other people services of video editing. If you need any other help, you can comment down below. Thank you for watching.